Welcome to the RESviewer. This web application was created to allow Fairfax County residents to explore the market sales that occurred in their neighborhoods in 2023. It also illustrates how assessments have changed from last year. There are a few ways to access the application. You can find it in the Department of Tax Administration's homepage and on the county's interactive map gallery. Once you open the site, please take some time to read the splash page. To enter the application, I accept the disclaimer and click OK. Now let's take a quick tour. The header provides links to the iCare website and to this video tutorial. Below the title, you'll find the search bar. You can search by address, parcel number, and neighborhood number. Keep in mind, this map includes residential data only. Navigation tools include the My Location button, the Home button, the Zoom slider, and the Extent Navigator. Over here to the right, we have the legend. At this extent, you can see the median percent change of equalization layer. This layer depicts the median percent change in assessment value for properties whose value change was driven by market forces and not physical changes such as permitted construction or demolitions. Clicking on this layer opens up a pop-up window that shows us the neighborhood number, the neighborhood name, the type of neighborhood, either single-family, townhouse, or condo, and the median percent change. Now I'll zoom in again. If I click on one of these residential parcels, you'll see we get another pop-up window with the neighborhood number. Up here to the right, we've got the map gallery. From here, you can change your base map. Beside that, we have our bookmarks that will point you to each district. You can also create and save your own bookmarks. And then next to the bookmarks, we have our sales search tool. This tool allows you to drill down through the data. If you're looking at the site, you're probably interested in learning where your assessed value came from. And specifically, you may want to see properties similar to yours that sold in your neighborhood. So I'll start by entering a neighborhood number. I'll use 60201. That's Pimmit Hills. Remember, you can find your neighborhood number by clicking on your parcel in the map. The map recenters and displays neighborhood sales. Green flags denote a property and land sale. Yellow flags represent a vacant land sale. Sales transactions included in this application were reviewed and deemed representative of fair market value by county appraisers. In other words, they were used to assess the neighborhoods. Clicking on one of these flags opens up a pop-up window with details about the sale and a link to the property record in iCare. To narrow down the search, I can enter the style of property. Let's look at one-story homes. This filters our results even further. Now, if you like, you can go to the bottom of the screen and click on the chevron to open up a table and view and sort the data as you wish. You'll see this table includes property details like bathroom counts, grade, physical condition, and more. We can also go back to the search tool and drill the data down even further by entering a size or an age range. And lastly, if you slide this over, you can clear the filters from your screen. If you have difficulty finding sales, we encourage you to call our office at 703-222-8234 to speak to a professional appraiser. They can walk you through how values were determined in your neighborhood. And lastly, if you need detailed instructions and information about this application, you'll find them by clicking on the About button. We hope you enjoy using the application, and as always, we're here to help. Please give us a call if you have any questions.